Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. Today I have a very special toy store haul for you. Uh, I went to a local toy store near me. It's family owned, and I've been in there a couple of times now, and every time I walk in there, it's so nostalgic. It reminds me of just my childhood and days of old and when life was simple, and it just gives me such a good feeling when I walk in there, and I always spend way too much money. But they do have crafty items that adults and kids can enjoy, honestly. Now, they did have these Lifeline line scented lava gel pens. As you can see, the lava moves up and down. And I did go ahead and swatch these, but these are way overpriced. They had these for $19.99, and I went to TJ Maxx and saw that these were at TJ Maxx for only $9.99. So basically half the price of these. So I will have to look into returning these possibly. Um, and I did swatch them, and they write beautifully and they smell so wonderful. They smell just like these scents here. Midnight Breeze, Harvest Spice. The Coconut Cove might have been my favorite. The Green Apple and Cedarwood smells just like apple and cedarwood. I mean, these are phenomenal. But you should be able to find these in TJ Maxx for $10, not 20. So this shop does have these way overpriced. Now, Lifelines is expensive anyway, so TJ Maxx, that's just a great deal at TJ Maxx. I understand why these would be $20 normally, but you can get them cheaper. So uh, look for those at TJ Maxx. By the time you see this video, they may not be at TJ Maxx any longer, but they were at one point. Then I got these Faber-Castell reverse coloring and doodling pads. If you've been following me over on iTerry TV, you know that I've hauled a few different reverse coloring pads now. I hauled the one from Ollie's that everyone was falling in love with, and I hauled one at Ross. And then I decided to buy these two for $10 a piece at this toy store, and it comes with a doodling pen. So with these reverse coloring books, you're supposed to doodle on top of the art. But what makes Faber-Castell just a step above the others is not only how beautiful this pad is, and the fact that it comes with a pen and it gives you examples of how this could look and techniques to try. Not only all of this, but these pages feel like real hand painted pages. They feel and they look like real hand painted pages. And this paper feels very, very luscious. And I've seen these in Books a Million. These are probably at Barnes and Noble as well. Any boutique store should probably have these. And I've seen two different versions so far. And I'm flipping sideways because this pad is long. But all this is paper to be used for whatever creative way you want to use it. And I love it because I love the quality of the paper. I love how it feels. And I love that it looks like, hand-drawn art. And I love that it comes with a band. So that's the first one for $9.99. And again, I know that these are in Books a Million, and they're most likely in Barnes and Noble too. And the second one is gorgeous. And then this is the cardboard piece here. Reverse coloring and doodling. So this is an example. Now I can't draw, so I would never make anything that looks like that. Just because I don't have the ability, but it's nice to think about. And each of these pages have a perforated line at the top there. So when you tear it out, you can still keep the top part to use as a bookmark. Yeah, these are some nice weight pages. I'm thinking it's two, but it's only one. So again, you have tips and instructions, examples of what you can do. There is a minor gloss on these pages, but it still feels, some of it still feels very textured. And these will be great as tag backgrounds. any sort of a background. It's pretty much just a paper pad, $10 paper pad. And this art doesn't look like anything else that I have, which is why I liked it. I thought it was very unique, both of those pads, and I love that they give you the pen to go with it. There's a lot of Faber-Castell or Faber-Castell things in Barnes & Noble and Books A Million, and a lot of boutique shops, I would say. And then I got a lot of puzzles, y'all. So, you know, I've been on a puzzle binge, and I saw some puzzles that I hadn't seen in any other places. So I got this Ravensburger puzzle. Ravensburger is huge in the puzzle world. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Ravensburger? I don't know. This one is $15.99, but it's 4 in a box. And you guys know I've been after the small puzzles, so less than 1,000 pieces. So I think it's 12 pieces, 16 pieces, 20 pieces, and 24 pieces. Because what I want to do is I want to put the puzzle together, I want to seal it, and then I want to use it in my journaling. And then I saw this one it's 200 pieces. I thought this one was gorgeous for $10. So I should be able to knock this one out and then seal it and use it for some type of journaling. And then I had to, y'all. Young Simba. I'm just living through my childhood. My inner child is like just trying to heal. And then this was $9.99, $10 for this 300 one. Ooh, I love that. I love young Simba. That child went through a lot, y'all. That was Lion King was my first real experience of understanding a close death like that. I had a close death in my family at a young age. My papa died when I was real young, but Lion King really like taught young people like, oh, you know, Simba's dad died. This is a big deal. Like it taught you a big lesson about death. Lion King was so important in my life. Then I got this Mickey Mouse puzzle for $12.99. Now, I'm not a Mickey and Minnie Mouse fan. I've talked about this a few times. There are some Disney characters I like Lion King. That's just a classic, hands down. Probably my favorite Disney movie of all time. The original, of course. I don't recognize any other Lion King. Argue with your mama. Now, I just loved this, though. It's Mickey and Minnie with kawaii characters. And Mickey's even cuter than normal Mickey, and Minnie's even cuter than normal Minnie. Like, I had to. And it's in the shape of Mickey's head. It's 500 pieces, y'all. I had to. I thought that was so cute. I'm not a fan of them, but I had to get that. That is just gorgeous. And then I finally got all the mini gym kits that I have been wanting to get. These run about $14 to $16, depending on where you buy it from. This one was closer to $16 at this little boutique shop because they are expensive for no reason because they're family owned. But I purchased this one, the Big Gym, the Sweets, the axolotls, and the unicorns. You can get them on Amazon for like $14. I think I paid, these were $17 for me, but you can get them on Amazon for like $14, I think. I'm going to open one. I'm going to open this unicorn one so we can see what these Big Gym kits look like. Of course, it says it's for kids, but y'all know I don't pay any attention to that. I don't like unicorns, so I won't be doing that sun catcher one. Not really attracted to that one, but I will be doing the stickers. Comes with a sun catcher and stickers. So hold on. So this little panda sticker is actually a part of this box. You can actually take him out and use him. It's like a little sticker there. You can cut him and use him. And that's what I most likely will do. Then it gives you, so you get 12 shimmering stickers and 2 sparkling sun catchers. And these are bigger gems. That llama's really cute. This is for the sun catchers. We won't be doing those. And it gives you instructions. So we're just going to look at these real quick. I have been eyeing these big gym kits for a while, and just when I went into the store, I just decided to purchase them from there. So this is the stylus and the suction cups for the sun catchers. And then looks like this is the top, the tray they may want you to use, and the wax. So it looks like they may want you to use that tray as the tray. And then these are noticeably bigger gems, which I love. I love how big these gems are. They would look great to decorate something else like a puzzle. I love how they packaged all of this. It's a great way to get a child started in diamond painting. And it's also great if you yourself as an adult want to just do something simple. Something to just free your mind for the moment. So these are the sun catchers. So those sticker sheets that I showed, like these, that's where you would place the gems, then you would put it on the sun catcher. I'm assuming the sun catcher has a sticky film over it. Yeah, there's a sticky film over it that you would peel off, and then you would just paste this on top, but we're not going to worry with that. And these are how the stickers look. They're holographic. You can use these as is. Shoot, you don't even need to do nothing with that, as far as I'm concerned, because those dots are cute. That just look like a part of what it is. I love llamas. I love that seahorse. Love that panda. I love that little dragon too. There, you can see it a little bit without the glare. So this is what these big gym kits look like if you're interested in getting this for your young one or for yourself. No judgment over here. Most stuff I buy is children's kits so that I can do things quickly and feel accomplished and well within my soul. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some, I don't know, hearts in the comments. Put some hearts in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next haul. If you have a local toy store, go ahead and visit it. Support your small businesses, but they really don't need to be overcharging on some of this stuff like they are. But it is good to support them. Thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.